Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Let us continue our topic combustion and flame. Today we will discuss topic how do we control fire. Okay, you know what are the three major conditions which are necessary for combustion. First is presence of oxygen, second attainment of ignition temperature and presence of combustible substance. But to extinguish fire, we will cut off the supply of oxygen. Opposite to this, okay, presence of oxygen help in combustion. If we cut off the supply of oxygen, we can control the fire. Okay, if we cool down the substance below its ignition temperature, if temperature become cools and its temperature is below its ignition temperature, so it will not attain that temperature. So by cooling the substance we can extinguish fire. Third is presence of combustible substance. We will remove that combustible substance, okay, that we will remove the combustible material which is going on burning. So these are the conditions by which we can extinguish fire: cutting the supply of air, cooling down the substance below its ignition temperature, remove the combustible material. What are the different ways by which we can control the fire? First, water. Water is common fire extinguisher. Okay, how it extinguish fire? It removes the heat and oxygen from the combustible substance. It brings the temperature of combustible substance below its ignition temperature. Okay, by cooling. Okay, by cooling it brings the temperature below its combustible substance, ignition temperature. Okay, the vapor. Water vapor surrounds the combustible substance like blanket. If we throw water on combustible substance, it surrounds, it covers the combustible substance. It cut off the supply of air. When it acts as a blanket around the combustible substance, by that it cut off the supply of oxygen. Okay, yes, we can use water if there is a fire in clothes, in paper or wood. Now, next method, using carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide is heavier than oxygen. Okay, in some cases water is not suitable for fire which is caused by electrical equipment and which is caused by inflammable substances like petrol, kerosene, etc. If fire is due to inflammable substance or if fire is due to electrical equipment, we will not use the water in that case, because water conduct electricity. Okay, and water is heavier than petrol and kerosene. It will settle down. Okay, yes, we know that petrol, okay, petrol floats on the surface of water, and if there is a fire due to inflammable substance petrol keep on burning and water settle down at the bottom. Next one is, I am saying about carbon dioxide. It is heavier than oxygen. It is non-flammable, which do not catch fire. It is heavier than oxygen. It covers the fire and it cuts off the supply of oxygen. Okay, it cuts off the supply of air. Now we are using fire extinguisher. This fire extinguisher is the device which is filled with the carbon dioxide gas. Okay, we are using this device to control small fire, like that is due to electricity, that is due to inflammable substances like petrol, kerosene, diesel, etc. We are using this extinguisher. Yes, this extinguisher is a cylindrical in shape and carbon dioxide gas filled under high pressure. By compressing that gas under high pressure, it turns into liquid. Okay, when we push the piston, the carbon dioxide released or shoots out, it expands enormously in volume, and by expansion it covers the fire, and by covering the fire it takes away the oxygen, means it cut off the supply of oxygen. Another quality of carbon dioxide gas, it cools the substance below its ignition temperature. If substance become cool, it does not catch fire. In case of big fire, okay, in case of big fire, we can call fire brigade. Okay, the number of fire brigade van is 101. Okay, thank you students. Please subscribe my channel.